Since you brought in the big elephant AI
Yeah,
in
the
the
AI
room,
elephant. Yeah.
as organizations are kind of re-architecting their architecture, or infrastructure for AI,
Yeah.
what kind of new challenges that are emerging that they're facing, and how is Cordant kind of designed to address that?
So I think a couple of really big challenges are the performance requirements. So obviously, everything in the AI space is optimized for performance. And so, being able to assure both the optimized stack for performance, but being able to assure that you are aligning the right sort of GPU, CPU resources to the right workload. That's really important. The way that the networking is now put together is a little different than what we've been traditionally used to in the enterprise environment, certainly. So those are some of the challenges in terms of those performance characteristics. And things like how memory is utilized, whether you're using local memory and optimizing your local memory, or enabling sort of support for huge pages and memory mapping and stuff. So those are some of the things that we're incorporating. Also, we've introduced, DRB capability and enabling the sort of load balancing capability of workloads, ensuring, optimal utilization and being able to automatically move workloads and ensure that they are optimized for purpose and performance. So a lot of different challenges there, and quite frankly, to be honest with you, this is still evolving. As some of these NeoClouds are now deploying at quite incredible scale. As you go to scale, new things are uncovered, and we're helping a lot of organizations to solve a lot of those problems in real time, to be frank. And Cordant is, as I said, it's composable, so it's quite flexible. We have a catalog of partner organizations that we're able to tap into and have customers be able to simply deploy supporting applications and supporting tools. So yeah, there's a lot in here. It's really building into an ecosystem and a sort of full platform of capabilities around AI.